In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into settings and scrolling to tap on sounds and vibration. Now select vibrate to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, or hit sound to tap on this switcher next to vibrate while ringing, and this way turn it on or off. When you're done, hit call vibration and notification vibration to pick perfect pattern for your incoming calls and notifications. Then tap on system vibration to adjust all of those options. By clicking on the switcher next to chosen feature, you can enable or disable haptic feedback for them. If you want to adjust intensity, use this slider. You can access the same slider by going back and hitting vibration intensity here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!